Day trading basics, long and short positions. Trading involves the buying and selling of assets at the right points in the market. With the market price constantly fluctuating, Executium helps facilitate your trading strategies by easily and efficiently catching favorable positions. In every position, there has to be an open and a close before you realize a profit. Long positions involve the purchasing of an asset with the expectation that it will increase in value. To maximize the profitability for a long position, buying at a lower price, then selling later at a higher price is key. Short positions are used when the value of an asset is expected to decrease. Shorting in a declining market allows traders to sell an asset at a higher price, then later buy it back at a lower price. In both a long and a short position, the difference between the open and closing price, or the spread, is where the profitability comes from. Executium provides an automated trading experience while still giving you full control. When you create a position on Executium, you set the conditions in which your position opens and closes. Once you've initiated a position, Executium will handle the rest, waiting for the market to close your position so that you can keep all the profits from it. Through the assistance of an automated trading system like Executium, you can begin to fully take advantage of the unlimited potential that the market has to offer. Start trading today with Executium, only on Executium.com.